Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 7th of May, a blessing Friday 2021. We had an amazing volatility, especially after the NFP news, and most of the traders banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. And I'm also going to share with you some useful tip, so stay tuned. Let's dig into the system. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis updates, feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you would like to know how I trade through this platform and provide live intraday analysis, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour, as you can see here, in my previous analysis, as I was keep telling you guys, when the price break the major structure, so we just keep taking a pullbacks. As you can see, if you haven't seen my previous analysis, by the way, you can watch. Link is given in the video description. You can see here price nicely respected the support level, and then we have this descending triangle pattern breakout afterwards. Yesterday you can see we had a long trade. Today you can see here the price was trapped this major support and the resistance level, so we had this breakout, and as always we were banking pullback long on EURUSD whole day. So we had amazing long trades whole day. The first target was the previous high, which price nicely hit. And let me share with you the intraday analysis. If you look at here in EURUSD, we were long whole day, and if I show you here, this is the analysis, intraday analysis. This morning we can see here, because this was the analysis yesterday, you can see that was the breakout, triangle pattern breakout, beautiful pips. And this morning, just before London Open, I did this analysis looking for another breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken in intraday at this level. So once the price broken, as soon as the price developed double top, we bank some profit and explain to trader, let's wait for the another pullback at this, if the price is going to respect and this trend support, which price nicely did. Safest trade was the previous high. You can see here, because we're waiting for the news, and beautiful long trade and bank beautiful pips at this level. As soon as the price refused to maintain the previous high, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So after that, we explained to trader the news wasn't good for the dollar. We explained to trader, let's wait for another deep pullback. So which again you can see in 4-hour price, this level, price came back here, and this is the level in 4-hour. You can see here price respected, and that's why the price came back here at this level. And look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. We were coordinating with the 4-hour, and we were expecting another pullback here, which price nicely developed pullback, and that's what we're explaining to trader. Look for another pullback long and keep taking a pullback, because you can see here the price was following the fundamentals. As you can see here, price nicely broken the previous high. That was the first target, and the final target was this level, which was this level. You can see here at the previous high, we banked some profit and explain to trader, just keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. So you can see here beautiful long trade. So based on the 4-hour price action, we refine our entries and exit in intraday, and then we keep taking a pullback long trade following the high time frame price action. So we managed to bank beautiful pips. Most of the traders bank amazing trade guys today. Right, let's move on to the pound dollar. Okay, so if you look at the pound dollar 4-hour chart, we had this high impact news for the cable. You can see here price came back. We haven't seen any clear direction because we were waiting for today news. As you can see here, price refused to break this trend support, and symmetric triangle pattern is broken today, and we had a long this morning, and afterwards we had another deep pullback. You can see here after the news wasn't good for the dollar, and that's why the price came back and have a deep pullback, and afterwards we just keep taking a pullback, and the target is this level. The first target was this level previous high, which price nicely banked, and some of the traders are still holding to hit this target. In the this is the daily resistance, this is the weekly resistance level. So we had amazing long trade today on cable. So let me share with you the today's analysis. If you look at the pound dollar this morning, just before London Open, we did this look for another pullback. That's the first priority. The price was at this level in 4 hour. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback. As soon as the price developed a double top, we announced to trader it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the news. As afterwards, you can see here, this is the news reaction. This is all news reaction. You can see a price came back here. We explained to trader, let's wait for the proper setup. And once the price developed this pattern, you can see here, this is symmetric triangle pattern, exactly like the 4 hour. We explained to trader if the price gonna break the previous high or the previous low. As you can see here, the price nicely broke on the previous high. Momentum was bullish, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank, so it's time to take some trade. And the first target was the previous high, which nicely hit at this level. And after that, we explained to trader look for another pullback. And if you look at here, this is another pullback. As soon as the price respected the orange EMA, we had another beautiful pullback long trade. And as soon as the price hit to the previous high level, which is around weekly resistance level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here, such a beautiful and long trade we had on pound dollar today. Look at the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we were expecting, we can see we had yesterday we had a beautiful short trade, guys. And afterwards today, you can see we were expecting, we were looking if the price gonna break this level, that we're going to be taking a long trade here, but price refused, and we had this small wedge breakout short trade in intraday. As you can see, we had this breakout and banked a few pips. So we had only one trade in dollar CAD, but we have amazing trades from rest of the pairs. So let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. This is the analysis. We had it, we were expecting to break out, but the price refused to break. As you can see here, major resistance level in 4 hour, and we have this wedge breakout. After the wedge breakout, we had a pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous level, and that's why we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had amazing trades today, all of these three major currency pair, but we also had a beautiful trades on euro yen, pound yen, Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar. So if you look at the pound dollar, guys, as you can see here, beautiful. After the news, the price respected this support level in 4 hour, and that's what we're explaining to it. And let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. So this morning we had a long trade here, and this was the breakout. In 4 hour, we had this breakout long trade. As soon as the price hit this level, this is the long trade. As you can see here, price nicely broke on the previous high, as explained into the analysis. Beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level in 4 hour, which is the technical to the first target in a fib channel, and bank some profit. And this was the analysis at the New York session after the news release. And what we're expecting here, pullback short. As you can see, we haven't seen any red candle here, because we were expecting here, if the price gonna break, possibility short. But if the price gonna break this trend resistance level after the break, as explained here in the analysis, if the price gonna break and retest, which price broken and retest, and that's what we explained to trader through live audio commentary, that I think it's time, because the price refused to break the major support level in 4 hour. Even in intraday, you can see here, we consider this one as a false breakout, and this is the beauty, because the price retested this level, give us the confirmation. We had a momentum bullish, we had the major support in 4 hour, and that's why we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. As you can see, we had such a beautiful nice long trade on pound yen. And if I show you the euro yen, we have the same trade, breakout trade. You can see here price developed consolidation, as soon as the price developed momentum, beautiful pullback, and all beautiful after the as soon as the momentum developed bullish, we taken all this pullback long trade on euro yen. So guys, that's it. You can see here most of the traders bank beautiful pips. Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, you can see here there was a beautiful after the news reaction. It's a very important, guys, pay attention. So how we penetrate the news, if the news is good and bad for the dollar, so we basically wait for the deep pullback. So today news wasn't good for the dollar, but you can see the price went up, and I said to traders, let's wait for the pullback. That's the safest trade, and because the pullback, it is going to give us the confirmation, which price nicely developed this pullback. As you can see here at this level, we had this as soon as the price retest and give us the confirmation. And even if you look at this is the wedge breakout, and as you can see here, beautiful long trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So we had amazing trades, all of the pairs today, most of the pairs. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis. If you would like to see all that analysis in the real time with the live audio commentary support alongside with the 4-hour analysis, even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, we provide full forex coaching and training through this platform with the live intraday analysis. Our objectives to train trader with the live market. So we don't just give them systems, strategies, no and nonsense. We said, okay, if you really want to learn, you have to be trade alongside with us, and we'll see how you performing. And if you need any help, we give them help on the spot in the real time. Once they develop their trading skill, we also open a trading, open other doors like a trading, giving them trading funds. If you are interested, how I train and coach traders through live intraday analysis through this platform, feel free to book one-to-one consultation. My availability link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, we have a lot of experienced traders. They have joined our trading community and they're really enjoying it. As you have seen, this is purely price action trading. We don't give any signals or anything. We provide analysis. We give them in-depth fundamental and the technical reason about the trades. So that's definitely help you guys to bank beautiful pips alongside with my professional trader. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best traders.